sound and healing, tones, light language, offering, multidimensional offering, vibrationally, for those that so desire to awaken themselves in a deeper, more expanded way with Gaia consciousness, earth consciousness, which includes all wildlife and nature, flora, fauna, water consciousness, and wildlife. And so through these sounds and tones and intentions, just allow your hands to be placed over your divine sacred heart, the center of who you are, with the pure intention to inspire and ignite a bold new way of experiencing yourself, exploring yourself, and expressing yourself in new vibrational ways, creative ways, in all that you are in a new reality experience. We create new reality experiences by ever expanding into new ways of perceiving, creating new belief systems that are more expansive and loving and caring and in harmony with universal consciousness, spirit consciousness, and therefore stepping into new platforms, because as we inspire and intend and perceive it, we then create it within our reality. So we perceive things into reality. Perceive your awakening into grander fields of play. Perceive yourself as reading Gaia consciousness and feeling it and hearing it in every way, because it is a multidimensional experience. Allow yourself to be one with the flora and the fauna and the trees, to feel the richness of that song that's ever being played with gratitude and reverence and harmony, that is healing in and of itself with the cells and the DNA, and allowing yourself to become one with the fluidic movement that is source, that is love, that is the song of nature, that is the song of all that is. And these will innately create healings, inspirations, intuitions, activate gifts and skills in whatever way that you so intend it with your teams and your higher self and soul. So just relax and take a few deep breaths. Full body, full vessel, all that you are, the cavity of all that you are as a spiritual physical being, knowing that your cells and your atoms are connected with all that is the breath of life that is source. And just feel your feet grounded into the sands and soils, and feel the cord that runs along your spine anchoring you into Gaia's heartbeat. And just intend your oneness with Gaia, just through a soft and loving intention. I am one with the Gaia consciousness. I open my heart and my multidimensional allness through the direction of my higher self and my soul, and all that is aligning with me as the soul that I am, with the majesty, the synchronicities, the intuitions and the wisdoms that is Gaia, that is source through nature, through our planet. I intend to become aware and awakened to the wisdoms and intelligences within. I acknowledge myself as wise and awake to the wisdoms of Gaia. I perceive myself as one with this intelligent communication, with this loving and divine, respected communication and love. I acknowledge the song that is Gaia, that Source sings through each of us, through all nature, through all moments. I allow all that I am as a multidimensional being to awaken to the song that is Gaia, that it allows my body and my cells and all that I am to be brought to a balance and a center point, a stillness. And through my heart, I allow all that is source, all that is love, all that is light, to co-create within these vibrations, unseen, but felt and known in every way. More Sacred life, sacred earth, sacred child, sacred human. I awaken to my sacredness. I awaken to my sacredness. I awaken to my sacredness. Thought, word, deed. Sacred, heightened beliefs of infinite love. I am that I am. Sacred life. Amen. Amen. Sacred earth.